One guys, I'm gonna bring you a very fast, maybe short, what I'm trying to say here, video. I'm still keeping an eye on SEAS, Seas, Leisure, SeaWorld, Entertainment. I'm trying to see if I can get a short here. So you can see a long consolidation here, 5-minute time frame coming, trend line right here, low up 1595, and we have a range all the way down to 5 minutes of 1520. So I'm keeping an eye on that one there. I think it will be a pretty decent move here based on the 15-minute time frame. Also looking at the possible reversal candles right here with a couple of dojis, dragonfly doji on the 15 and this doji here, the prior candle. But I wanted to bring you a video on QLGN, a massive move this morning. This company was moving out of news today, and I want to show you what we were able to do out of the gates today. Not many trades for me, just one trade, and that was on that name out of the gates. Pretty volatile, moved pretty quickly. I slapped it, got what I needed, and just stepped out. The QLGN, as you notice right here, we're gonna try to move it to this range. I don't want to take it so far. There was a consolidation under the pre-market hours, so you notice right here with a lower trend line, $6.66 here, and we started to consolidate and then come up on top of the 50 simple moving average here that held when it got on top on this consolidation. Right out of the gates, we had a little bit of a consolidation also in 3 last minute candles here prior to the open. See here, he held this range. Opening close, we have a dragonfly doji, shows you that the opening and the close is pretty much the same spot. Also same here, 3 dojis right there. So this area here was actually holding pretty tight. Right out of the gates, see a yellow candle here, which actually shows that the volume that stepped in on this 1 minute candle was over the 50-day average volume, and this thing just rack up right away. We had this doji here at 640. Notice right here we the low 640, open 644, and we just run up to 715 on just one candle, which is actually a pretty decent move. Second candle went to 742, so it was pretty decent. 715, 742, very high run up right out of the gates. I'll take a little stab here. I didn't want to put way too many shares because since I figured it was going to be a little bit volatile, I was trying to be cautious as well in regards to if it didn't work out and it pulled back. I didn't want to be trapped in this trade when this thing actually flushed, right? So I put not a usual 500 shares that I actually jump in, but I put half of that, 250. I jumped in, and this thing actually moved very well. For the first trade of the quarter and also the second half of the year, I think it was actually a pretty decent trade. I stepped out with that trade. So you notice here there's a couple of the formations that we have. Bear flag pattern right here in the 1 minute time frame. There's also more bear flag patterns right here, and this consolidation that we had on the 1 minute, and I actually put in the comment on the Discord trading group about the bear flag pattern formation, that there was a possibility that we were going to have under the low of this candle right here, 580. We tap the 580 here to close there, and then we have some follow through here all the way to $5.26, right? So as of right now, you can see that it had this little bit of a flush, follow through right now, topping that 50 simple moving average in the 1 minute time frame. A couple other names that move: VXRT, MYOS or MYOS. We had other news in regards to a loan that this company, a trucking company, got approved today, YRCW. We got the airlines moving today. Also watching MIK, Michaels, on top of the 725 range, 886 range that we've been talking about for the last couple of days. But in regards to this trade and what I'm watching right now, I'm keeping an eye on SEAS overseas, and just wanted to give you the information in regards to the move today on QLGN. So you can see right here, up 43%, $1.72, pardon me, after it actually pulled back. If you take the low of this thing here, I'm gonna take it to the high of this candles here. You can see that it was actually a $3.36 move, 82.76%. We can also pick up from the 15 minutes right here. It's pretty much going to be a little bit of a cleaner thing anyway. But let's see, 344, 84.74% right there. So again, guys, a pretty decent day so far to start the quarter, to start the second half of the year. Stepping away from the computer for now. Gotta take care of something in my yard before it starts raining. So for now, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Keep an eye on QLGN. Seems like it can have a second leg up or a little bit of a bounce. Watch this resistance around 574. See how it can go. Right here, 574 already broke. So the 620, and let's see if it gets to right the highs after the gates, right out of the gates at 750. So keep an eye on it, see what happens. I'm not gonna be around. I gotta go out to the yard to clean up a couple of things that I want to take care of prior to 4th of July weekend. So for now, I'm gonna let you guys go. C's is actually breaking down, getting inside of the range. I might end up making a trade here, but let's see what happens. Take care, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading.